Hey guys, it's Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to take a look at how to get rid of voles in your yard. This video will explore some of the most humane yet effective ways of removing voles from your yard. So continue watching to find out more. First, remove all food sources. Voles are rodents that forage around to find food. If the yard has plenty of food for them, you will most probably have a persistent vole problem. To keep voles off your yard, ensure that no food sources are readily available for them by cutting off vegetation that they feed on. This will discourage them from coming into your yard. Erecting a fence. This might seem impractical since voles are burrowers. When erecting the fence, you simply need to ensure that you dig in the wire mesh at least 1.5 feet in the ground to prevent them from getting into your yard while burrowing. Using natural repellents. There are a couple of over-the-counter repellents that you can use against voles, which have been proven to be very effective without harming them. Among the most effective repellents are castor oil and chilling juice. When you apply either of these around your yard, the voles flee since they find them unpleasant. Removing water sources. Voles love living in areas with plenty of water, like stagnant water or streams. So if you have stagnant water in your yard, find a way to remove it by improving your drainage. Using traps. Many live traps can be bought online or at your local pet store in today's markets. These traps allow you to catch the voles without hurting them, and you can later release them in a protected area where they can live in the wildlife. Get an outdoor car. Voles, just like all rodents, do not get along with cats, since cats are natural predators of voles and other rodents. If you're comfortable getting an outdoor cat, this will be a great way of owning a pet and, at the same time, keeping off all the voles around your yard. So there you have it. Here are just a few of the best ways to humanely eliminate voles. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.